everyone, welcome to Okanagan Dodge. My name is Emily and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2015 Ram 1500 Sport Quad Cab in black. Under the hood you have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi engine pushing out 395 horsepower, 410 foot-pounds of torque, coupled with an 8-speed automatic transmission. On the front here you have your automatic headlights, daytime running lights, and then you have your blacked out Ram badge. Still fantastic tread remaining on these open country mud and snow tires that are sitting atop of 20-inch KMC Rockstar rims. Coming down the side you have body color mirrors and door handles, as well as tinted rear windows, and then you have chrome running boards. Let me grab the keys and show you the inside. Taking a look now at your key fob, you have your unlock, lock, remote start, and panic button. And it does have a proximity keyless entry, so just make sure that key is in your pocket or your bag, and you'll be able to lock and unlock the doors by placing your hand over the handle there. Opening up your driver's side door, you have your power adjusted mirrors, which are also heated and power folding, and then you have your power windows and your power locks, and then inside you have black leather seats with a power adjusted driver's seat. So I'll go ahead, hop on in and start it up. So currently this Ram 1500 is sitting at 121,253 kilometers, so lots of life left in it, but do speak to one of our finance managers about any extended warranties to make sure you are fully covered. Over on this side there you have your headlight adjustments, and then you have your windshield wiper settings as well as your high beams. On the side of your leather wrapped steering wheel, you have your voice recognition, Bluetooth, and your screen options. And then tucked behind you have your radio controls. On the other side you have your cruise control settings, your gear shifts, and then you have your volume controls located behind the steering wheel. You have a push button start as well, and then in the center you have a nice large 8.4-inch touchscreen display with your radio options, so your AM, FM, and satellite, as well as your media options, and for those you have your USB, auxiliary, your SD card plugins, as well as your Bluetooth. You have your seat controls, as well as your heated steering wheel and your automatic mirror dimmer, your Uconnect apps, climate controls, navigation, and then your phone that's connected with Uconnect, and then you have your backup camera as well. Further down you have your dual climate control with front and rear defrost, as well as air conditioning. You have your factory trailer brake controller, your heated and vented front seats, again your heated steering wheel, your traction control, and your tow haul mode. And then you have your 150 watt plug-in there, as well as your 4x4 options. You have another 12 volt DC plug-in tucked on the bottom there. And then in the top part of the center console, you have your USB, auxiliary, and SD card plugins. And then in the bottom part there, you have tons of storage space. Coming up to the top, you have your universal garage door opener with 3 settings, and then your power rear sliding window, as well as your power sunroof. So stick with me and I'll show you the rest. Taking a look now in your second row of seating, again it is a quad cab, but you still have a great amount of space back here for any passengers or storage. You have your mat pockets located behind your front seats there, another 12 volt DC plug-in at the bottom, and then your seats can fold up with a 60-40 split, and this here can fold up for extra storage space or out and down to give you some flat cargo space in the back. Coming around now to the back at the bottom there, you have your hitch receiver, your 4 and 7 pin wiring harness, your backup camera, and then you have a bed liner as well. On your passenger side, again, you have a power adjusted seat, storage compartment along the bottom there, power locks, power windows. You have an extra storage compartment up top, and then you have your glove box there with your books. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon at Okanagan Dodge to take this 2015 Ram 1500 Sport for a test drive.